One of the words that I enjoy in my vocabulary is makes. He makes, she makes, and if I break grammar protocol, we makes, I makes. And I tend to do that because I make up words along the way. Now, this makes is a way for me to remind myself how I'm organizing the work that's unfolding in front of me. And the M is for map and manage. So I tend to map things out so I get a sense of a broader picture, like a landscape. And then I say, okay, what do I have to do to manage in there to get things fulfilled? Which then says, okay, well, what are the actions, specific actions I'm going to take, and which of those need to be amplified when? That says, okay, that's great. Do I need any more knowledge going in, through, on the other side? But I remind myself about kindness and caring in what it is that I'm doing. And that brings me to, okay, who am I going to engage with, the engagement, to figure out how we're going to or why we're going to evolve whatever it is that we're working on, which then brings me back to, okay, am I clear about the situation and the significance of what it is that we're doing? So this word makes, in a sense, a verb, makes, really brings forth this notion of map, action, knowledge, engagement. And if you dig into those a little bit more, you'll probably come to a point of recognizing something like true colors, personality dimensions, DISC, these different personability assessments. I just brought it back into language that I could remember, and I thought I would share it with you is because it's just one of those important tools. And how do you use acronyms to be able to organize your work? I have a lot of them because I attempt to figure out how to do it in fives, because when I go to explain things, I can 1 and 2, 3, 4, and 5 and help a person understand it and remember it. So I wanted to share makes with you because it's just one of those ones that just keeps coming back in as a reminder to help me with the organization of work. So with that, take care.